Next flow manifold systems are systems where a manifold is supplied with a series of either nozzles or flat jets or air jets or amplifiers, whatever is needed off a pre-designed manifold. Standard manifolds have either 2, 4, or 6 attachments to it. Special manifolds have been manufactured to supply all different types of combinations of air nozzles and air jets. Manifold systems are normally utilized where air knives, which are traditionally used for long lengths of blow-off applications, where the air knife simply may not be appropriate. For example, if an air knife is considered for an application on a moving steel web, and this steel web can break and damage the air knife, replacing that air knife can be quite expensive. It might be more appropriate to have a manifold system with a series of nozzles or a series of jets that are much more hardy and sturdy, so that if something happens and the manifold is hit and some pieces break off, the replacement parts can be replaced at a much lower cost. Air knives also have a limited force that you can get from an air knife. With manifold systems, you can have a much, much greater degree of force per inch off the manifold system, depending on what you are using. For example, the flat jets can be put on a manifold. These flat jets can have any sort of a gap on there to give you as much as 3 pounds of force per air jet. You simply have to design the manifold to handle the flow. Instead of flat jets, you may use a series of nozzles. A popular version is utilizing a manifold with a series of air amplifiers for cooling long lengths of material or long widths of material. So manifold systems give you a much greater flexibility to be able to supply a system for easy installation at the customer's location.